Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this vlog, my dad will take over. He'll do a specialized bike check. He has a total of 4 bikes, so you'll see 3 more. And I hope you enjoy, so please don't forget to like and subscribe. Woohoo!
Hi to Chloe's watcher. This is Chloe's dad, and this is my bike. Specialized Epic 2014. I prepared medium, but they all saying that I'm large because of my height. Okay, this is my cockpit. NB M5. And my NB stem. And my MB seat post. It's my brake. SRAM Level Ultimate. Carbon. It's a rainbow black carbon. And my group set. SRAM X01 32 teeth 12 by RD X01. The shifter X01. My pedal Richie. On wheels. It's Robal Control SL World Cup Series Carbon. Robal DT Swiss. World Cup Series Hub Robal and by DT Swiss. And my shocks Reba RockShox 100 Travel. It's 2014 kaya medyo epic, kaya medyo luma na, but the performance, it's the brain technology, Fox brain, that's the brain. Okay. So this is Chloe's dad's bike. Thank you.
That's it guys. Bike safe po tayo lagi. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Woohoo!